In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Mailchimp. We'll move through this together step by step so you can go from a blank screen to a clean, professional survey you can share with confidence. Once you're in your Mailchimp dashboard, look to the left-hand panel. Click on Forms. This is where Mailchimp groups tools for collecting information, including sign-up forms and, importantly for us, surveys. Opening this section ensures you're working within Mailchimp's built-in tools, keeping everything consistent with your brand and your audience data. Next, select Survey. This takes you to the Survey workspace, where you can see any existing surveys and, more importantly, start a new one. Go ahead and select Create New Survey. You'll usually find this as a clear button on the page. This creates a fresh canvas and opens the editor where you'll do all your building and customizing. Before adding questions, give your survey a name. Make it descriptive and easy to recognize later. A good format might include the goal and the month or campaign, like Customer Feedback, Spring Campaign. While this name is mainly internal, a thoughtful title keeps your workspace organized and helps your team quickly identify the right survey down the line. Now, select the audience. In Mailchimp, your audience is the contact list you'll associate with the survey. Choosing the right audience helps you keep responses connected to the correct group of people, which is essential for clean reporting and follow-up. If you manage multiple audiences, pick the one that aligns with your goal, such as customers, newsletter subscribers, or event attendees. With your setup complete, start adding your survey introductions, questions, and input fields. Use the introduction to explain the purpose in one or two friendly sentences. Set expectations for time commitment, and reassure viewers their responses are valued. Then, move into your questions. Keep each one focused on a single idea. Mix question types thoughtfully. Use multiple choice for quick decisions, rating scales to measure satisfaction or agreement, and open-ended fields for insights in the respondent's own words. Label input fields clearly so people know exactly what to provide, and only mark fields as required when absolutely necessary to reduce drop-off. Arrange questions in a logical flow, starting broad and moving towards specifics. Keep your language neutral to avoid bias, and limit the total number of questions to respect your audience's time while still gathering what you need. And that's all. You've clicked Forms, chosen Survey, created a new survey, added a clear name, selected your audience, and built out your introduction, questions, and input fields. Everything you need to get meaningful feedback with Mailchimp.